Hi students, this is Mr. Chow, and in this video we will talk about the application of ratio with the similar figures. So let's start. Alright, we may ask ourselves, what are similar figures? Can you remember that? Similar figures means that if a figure is enlarged or reduced, the image obtained matched exactly with the other figure. So such pair of figures are called similar figures. Like these two are similar figures. Look at this as an example. Here are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and they are similar. So what does it mean? So it means that the corresponding side, the ratio will be the same. So 5 to 10 is 1 over 2, and then AB over DE, 4 over 8 is also 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 2 to 4 is also 1 to 2. This can be expressed in this way as ratio. In fact, the ratio of their heights or any corresponding line segments would also be equal to 1 over 2. That means h1 over h2 is also 1 over 2 here. So this property holds for all similar figures, which means that the ratios of the lengths of any corresponding line segments in the similar figures are equal. So let's look at this example. There are two parallelograms, ABCD and also EFGH, and they are similar figures. And we know that AB over EF will be 4 cm over 6 cm, which equals to 2 over 3. What do we know then? We can say that BC over FG equals to CD over GH, which is also equal to DA over HE, equals to AB over EF, which is 2 over 3. So all these fraction or all these ratios will be 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Besides, we can also say that AC to EG or BD to FH, they are also equals to 2 over 3. In other words, we can say that the ratio BC to FG equals to CD to GH equals to DA to HE equals to AB to EF equals to 2 over 3. And also AC to EG and BD to FH is also 2 to 3. Let's look at one example that we solve for a problem. Look at these two figures. We know that they are similar figures. So can you find the value of x and y? Because the ratios of the lengths of the corresponding line segments in similar figures are equal, we can say that x to 4 equals to 20 to 16. So that means x over 4 equals to 20 over 16. And also y to 8 equals to 16 to 20. So y over 8 equals to 16 over 20. We can say that x equals to this multiplied by 4, y equals to this fraction multiplied by 8. So we get x equals to 5 and y equals to 6.4 as the answer. Let's look at one follow-up question. So in this question, we also want to know what x is and what y is. And they are similar figures. So first, we can say that the ratio of the lengths in similar figures are equal. So basically, x to 4 equals to 9 to 12. So we have this, and also y to 6 equals to 12 to 9. Write it in this way. After simplification, we can find that x equals to this times 4, we get x equals to 3. And y equals to this fraction times 6, so we have y equals to 8. We may see some EYA questions for this part. Then how can we do that? Look at this question on your textbook. It is Quick Practice 1.17. And there are two paper cutting, and they are similar. So for part A, we have to find out what W is. And part B, it asks you that can this figure be wholly pasted on a piece of card with this dimension, 8 cm times 12 cm. We have to explain the answer. So for part A, we know that the ratio of the lengths in similar figures are equal. So this length over this length equals to this length over this length. So W over 5 equals to 6 over 4. We got W equals to 7.5 here. Then about part B. This is 7.5. Okay, it can suit for this 8 cm. Then we need to find out the height of this figure. So how to find this height? Height of the larger figure, when it compared to 9 cm, the ratio should equals to 6 cm to 4 cm. So equals to 6 over 4. Then we find the height of the larger figure by this times 9 cm. This is equals to 13.5 cm. But the card, the dimension is 12 cm. This one is greater than 12 cm. Therefore, the larger figure cannot be wholly pasted on a piece of card with these dimensions. So this is the last part of the video. Remember that we all have dreams, but we want to make dreams come to reality. It takes determination, dedication, self-discipline, and effort. So now you should be determined to do the quiz, be dedicated in the learning, and self-disciplined in your homework, and put effort on it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.